everyone, my name is Anastasia and I introduce you Mersin real estate agency, and I'm just come back from Moscow from the expo where we had really great experience, and we actually sold couple of apartments in TJ, in new building, on excavation, and people were really excited. But today I want to show you one really nice, amazing on excavation complex. And this complex is in Cheshmeli, really nice, really great area, district, which is now surrounded by citrus gardens, by peaches trees, by lemon trees, by palm trees. And the smell, because it's April, the spring is half count, so yeah, it's just amazing smell here. And actually I really want you to have this experience to like alive in really nice district. And today I'm gonna show you 1+1 apartment, but really nice, really good area, not so crowded district, not so big complex. And actually now I'm in showroom, as you may see, and I hope you will enjoy this because I did. It's really amazing, and it takes a little bit time for me to understand how beautiful it can be in the future when it will be done, it will be like completed. And actually this complex is located like in Cheshmeli, as I said, only 350 meters from sea, but you will be surrounded by citrus gardens, by peaches gardens, and you will have the smell all of the spring, like April, May, March. In summer it will be free lemons and oranges for you guys, so you can just go and take it. No one cares, actually. Turkish people are the best people. And let's go. So guys, let's start from the hall. It's just really big. Just look at this wardrobes. It's just amazing. I'm really in love with this. You will have all of these wardrobes because it's included, and also you will have such a big mirror. Just look at this. I'm really expressed. As I said, it's only 1+1 apartment, but this apartment has really nice area size, really nice apartment size. Here you have traditional shower, but actually I'm in love with the design. It's like natural with urban style, urbanistic, and really I'm in love with this. So here we are in the master's bedroom. This master's bedroom will also have a balcony, but this is showroom for, you know, the ending apartment on the corner. So you will have this balcony, like really big, really nice balcony. But in the if you are buying an apartment in the middle of the building, you will have traditional French balcony. We guys all know what that means. So here we are, such a big mirror, really, as I said, really nice, really good size for this apartment. And actually, yeah, wardrobe, just look how big it is. Actually I'm showing not so long, but anyway, I know that there are some luxury apartment, premium class apartment has like this wardrobes, but in 1+1, nah, never. I've never seen it. And actually I really like it. It's really nice. And also this option possible only if you are buying an apartment just right on the corner, the last from the both sides. So hurry up, we still have not so many, but anyway, we have couple of it. So if you're in love, just hurry up to buy. So meanwhile, we are in the kitchen and in the saloon, and my beautiful beloved island. Here there will be a oven. It's really, I think it's really useful because it takes not so many place for you to cook. So here you have the fire in here, and the oven is here. It's just really useful, I guess, and comfortable because for me it will be comfortable. Yeah, and actually I'm planning to buy something like this in the future time, nearest future, but for you, I think it's really nice, because as I said, I really like the size of this apartment. Even if you're a family, young family without children, it's a really nice place. It's really big place, because I have 1+1 apartment and it's not even so big as it should be. And this apartment, I really love it. Especially I love the design of all of this stuff, you know, like really nice, really nice. I'm in love. So here, and you will also have a balcony, a terrace. I'd say it's terrace, it's not a balcony. Just look how big it is and how comfortable. So here you can put table, chairs. Also here you can put a sofa, little sofa for you, and playing with the children, like drinking tea here, enjoying the view and everything like this. Because from the first floor it will start the sea view. It will be sea view for you. And actually, if you are buying property here on the 0th floor, and as we say in Turkey, zemin kat, you will have your own entrance like this. It will be the door here, and you can go just right away to the swimming pool. So like, it looks like you will have 2 doors, 2 entrances, and one will be in the swimming pool. And I think it's amazing, because, you know guys, I'm not a big lover of zemin kat, but here it will be really cozy and, like, you know, classy, I think. So yeah, just look how cute it is. I'm in love with the design, especially with all of these parts, and it all will be included. Only lights are not included, but anyway, it's all really good. It's real, it's not a fake, it's a real stone marble. So I think it's just amazing. So that's it, that's all I want to show you today, and I hope you enjoyed this video, because I did. If you do, please like and subscribe, and please comment down below what you think about this district. Have you heard about it? What do you know about Mersin, like in general, and everything like this. And please guys, just text me if you're interested in this apartment, if you're interested in property in Turkey, and do you like this type of video or not. Maybe I should change something, maybe I should do more videos about life in Mersin and just like this and everything like this. So please guys, I really want to chat in with you, to talk with you. Please, I'm waiting for you. I'm waiting for you in Mersin. And thank you for watching guys. That's it for today, and see you in the next videos.